Drink beer, it's good for you.
Hello and welcome to the video. In this video I'll be looking at why it has become popular for both breweries and homebrewers to can their beers. This video is a direct reaction to many questions I have had on this topic. It always used to be that the cheap beers were canned and the, shall we say, better beers were bottled. In recent years many craft breweries have moved over into cans for good reason. A very similar transition has been taking place in home breweries also, as canning equipment has become more cost effective. Let us now look at the key facts as to why you should consider canning your homebrew. Firstly, and put very simply, canned beer stays fresher for longer compared to bottles. This is because cans greatly remove light and oxygen exposures to the beer, ensuring that it is fresher for longer. Now it is fair to say that brown bottles limit UV light, but there is nothing better than total removal. There is also the benefit that cans are lighter and safer than glass. If you drop a can, then usually there will be a minimum of waste. If you drop a glass bottle, then chances are you will lose the beer and have a mess of glass to clean up, not to mention the risk of shards of glass causing injury. Cans are also great for mass storage. Because cans will stack, you will simply be able to store more of them in your fridge compared to bottles. Also, if you are ecologically minded, then it would be great to know that cans are also great for recycling. Cans are made from aluminium, and this material is the most recyclable of all. There is simply no limit as to how many times aluminium can be recycled. Also, beer stored in aluminium will cool faster in a fridge compared to beer stored in glass. If you keep it in the can, it will also heat up faster also, so be sure to pour your canned beer into a glass if you want it to stay cold. So as you can see, there are some key benefits here. Perhaps you're also sick and tired of the endless cycle of cleaning bottles and the extra storage space they take up too. Canning your beer certainly addresses these issues and more. What you will have to weigh up though is the cost of the equipment and cans. I will be looking at this in future videos, so stay tuned. This now brings this video to a close. If you have any questions, then please let me know via YouTube or Facebook. I do hope that you found this video to be useful, interesting and enjoyable. If appropriate, then please like this video on YouTube, and if you've not done so already, then please subscribe. I regularly post new content. Happy brewing!